Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Black Ops connection failed issue. So first thing you want to do is, even before you start doing anything, just head over to your Wi-Fi router, unplug it for exactly 30 seconds and then plug it back. I know it sounds crazy, but it has worked for so many people that you'd be surprised. For some reason, if that does not work for you, then what you want to do is search Control Panel, head over to it, and then you want to find Network and Sharing Center, click on it, then go to Change Adapter Settings. Now, it's recommended that you use Ethernet over Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi, the ping issues and everything, FPS dropping, trust me, you'll thank yourself for getting the Ethernet cable. So whatever you use, whether it's your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, you want to right click on that, go to Properties, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now, for you guys, it should look something like this. So what do you do from here? From here, you go to search, you search CMD, you click on Run as Administrator. Yes. Next up, what you do is basically type in ping 8.8.8.8 and then you wait a few seconds for it to load. Then you wanna type in ping 1.1.1.1 just like so and wait for it to load up. As you can see, for 8.8 my average is 26 and for 1.1 my average is 3. So clearly I'm getting lower ping for 1.1. Now for you guys, you might be getting 8.8.8 lower. So if you get 8.8.8.8 lower, what you want to do is click on use the following DNS and type in 8.8.8.8 at the top bar, and at the bottom bar you want to type in 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. And if you got your 1.1 as the lower one, like me, you want to type in 1.1.1.1, you want to type in 1.0.0.1, click on OK. OK, relaunch your game, and this should honestly fix the issue for you. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.